whole piece back together. Alright, so at this point, you just have the front cover. For me to get the front cover, which is this, to fit and lay like I need it to, I gotta cut these two bolts down that are on the motor. And then the front cover has two little tabs that fit in these slots here. And then on the top side, it has two screws, and it covers these wires. They go up through here, so they'll lay down like that, and then they'll fit in the groove, lay down like that, and they'll sit, and then the screws will go here and here to hold the front cover. And like I said, this is the top, so it'll sit like this, and then these wires will be your power source to the blower fan. Pretty cool. This is out of a 49 Dodge pickup truck, and I mean, it's super simple and it works. So after I get these screws cut down, I'll put the face plate back on it, and this will be done. Then I can test it to make sure that the blower fan rotates and that air comes out of the vents. And if it doesn't, then that means that I jammed something when I was putting it all back together. I will do that front plate and show you what it looks like when it's all done, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got these cut down so the faceplate will cover really nice and it won't be in the way. When you go to cut these ones, if you cut them after you install, make sure you're careful of the wires, that you don't cut the wires. I did nick the black one, and so I'm probably gonna have to cover that and seal it just so I don't have a short before I put the cover on. But like I said, the two tabs fit there, and then it goes like that, and then there's a screw here and a screw here, and then it bolts right up to the firewall. This side here goes into the firewall, and this side is where your passenger is sitting, so that'll be the front of it. Pretty straightforward. You will have some extra parts when you put a new motor in there. Obviously you'll have the extra motor and the housing for it, which I took the housing off the motor because I'm going to do something else with this. You can make the new motor fit in the housing if you want the original housing look. It will fit right in there. This whole assembly from the new housing, or from the new motor, sorry, will fit into the original old housing. And these two bolts, you'll have these extra because these were for the housing itself for the motor. So these are the only extra things you'll have. Other than that, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video. Share it, and definitely hit the definitely hit the bell if you want to see more videos that I come up with. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.